friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Britt with Britt Create Stuff, and today we are going to be working on day 3 of the Little Things Journal, a 100-day paperback journal project. If you're new here, this project is all about creating one small element each day using a paperback journal as our foundation. These daily prompts are meant to help you build a journal slowly and intentionally, focusing on the little details that make your journal truly special. And today's prompt is a belly band. Now, belly bands are one of my favorite elements to add to a journal because they're beautiful and they're very functional. They give you a place to tuck in journaling cards, tags, photos, little bits and bobs of ephemera, while also adding another layer of texture and interest to your page. And what I love the most is that you can keep them simple or you can dress them up as much as you would like to. So today I'm going to show you how I create my belly band and how I'm going to incorporate it into my Little Things journal. So the first thing that I'm going to do is measure my page. I went ahead and picked my designated bag where I want the belly band to go. So let me grab my ruler here. Sorry, I thought I already had it down. Okay, so 8 3/4. So 8 3/4. Okay, so that's the size we'll need is 8 3/4. So 8 3/4. Now we're gonna end up. I'm not gonna do the full 8 3/4. I'm gonna do 8.5 because that is the height of my paper here. And this belly band that we're gonna make is gonna be quite cute. Okay, so I'm not. Okay, so 2.5. That's where we need to be. 2.5. Hi, kitty. Okay. Kitty. Quit, kitty. She comes in here and wants my attention now. Okay. Well, now we have 2.5. That's that's okay. So we need another 2.5. So as I'm trying to get as much as this green as I can. Uh, Okay, where is yeah, got my scoring board here. And what I want to do is I'm going to score a fourth, 1/4 an inch. So 1/4 on the left and 1/4 on the right. Okay. So that is going to be our little tab pieces to glue down. And that brings the length of our belly band down to 8 inches. Okay. So next thing I need to do is trim up my paper here. So this is from one of the Edith Holden books. And I have really, really wanted to use the pretty illustrations, the paper, as well as the poems and things. Okay, so we're going for 2.5. So I'm going to trim down as much as of the negative space as I can. So I want to fit the flowers and the butterfly. Okay. So this one, I'm going to go ahead and trim that down to 4. I'm going to hang on to that. I'll use it later. And again, trimming away this negative space here. And then 4 inches. I'm actually going to do more than that because I really want the butterfly. And some of that clover. But okay, I'll tell you what we're going to do. Okay, so I trim that down to 5 inches, and this one is 4 inches in height. And then we need to trim that down to 2.5. Wait a minute. Yeah. Okay. So let's do a little bit more off that side. Now we should be able to get all of the butterfly on that one. Sure did. Okay. Set my cutting board aside. So first I'm going to quickly go over this part of the belly band. Okay. So now I am putting this in like this. Okay. So there we have one side. And okay, I don't want them to overlap. And the part that is left hanging over is also going to be turned into a tab to create a hinge. Okay. So that's going to create a hinge. So what I'm going to do is line that up to where they're touching. Flip that over. And then where I traced the overlap, We're going to crease and fold on both. Okay. Crease and fold. Yeah. So go ahead and ink your tags. And for these, I will use the hole reinforcers and eyelets. And then I'll use some twine to tie those together. Excuse me, guys. Goodness. Let me grab hole reinforcers, and I'm going to use 4, 2 for each tag. So for those of you that are following along, how is it going? Are you enjoying the paperback journal so far? I know we're only 3 days in. Tomorrow will be um, day number 4. Um, Today I wanted to take a live break and just record instead. Um, and then tomorrow I will be back live at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I will see you all here for day 4. Okay. So now we need that. Sometimes these do so well, other times they do not. See, that one did it just about perfectly. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to glue this tab on the very edge of the belly band. Okay, you're going to do the same with the other side. So now we have our tags. So then you could take some twine or any kind of ribbon, trim, lace that you have on hand, and I'm going to stick with the twine here. I used it on the cover, and I want to use it here. So now we can flip to our page here, and then we are going to glue that directly on there. Now, if you guys have a sewing machine and you love to add details to your crafting items, I would go ahead and do that before you glue it into your book. Okay. Just going to hold that there for a second. All right. So now you have your belly band here, but you also have one here. So let's see. So we could put that one, and you could stick that one there. Okay. So there is a quick, simple, easy little belly band. Okay. So then you would untie it, and I would just pull it through one side and let it dangle from the other side. So you could decorate and embellish this. I definitely wouldn't put anything very chunky here. Um, I would use paper elements, things like that, if you wanted to add um, a little pocket here, or you could even do another little thin piece of a belly band. You could add butterflies in here. Decorate it to your heart's content and however you would like to. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to tie this back together. These little elements may seem small, and some of them are, but over time they'll come together to create something truly meaningful in your journal. And that's the heart behind this project. It's not about rushing or anything like that. It's about showing up, creating, and then just enjoying the process, having fun, playing around with different ideas and textures and techniques, and maybe do something you haven't done before. Okay, so if you're following along with the Little Things journal project, I would love to hear how your journal is coming along. So let me know in the comments. What items did you use for your belly band today? And if you haven't joined yet, you can start and join us at any time. This project is completely free, and I have the calendars and all the project details available on my website, which I will link below in the description. I thank you guys so much for being here and for creating alongside me, and I will see y'all tomorrow for day 4. Bye, friends.